And here comes Jimbo, who is absolutely shitting himself at the moment.
Shaking his head, going, screw this.
Going a bit slow there, mate.
Look at his face. Sorry, I'm in the way. Now, me. Oh, don't move! What? Right, if you're in a bad spot, you do come over. I'll catch you up. I feel like I'm going that way. Keep coming. Keep coming. Drop it off at the rear. Drop it off at the rear. Fuck this! Fucking way! I think you need to stop there. He's in trouble.
Yeah, that's about the position I was in.
Fuck! I should have went the bridge. This is fucking stupid. He's going to come all the way down here. Yeah. He's going to come all the way down here. You're taking too much turning out when you jump those nuts on one side. This side. You need more turn. You reckon you can go back a foot or two wherever until you hit that rock? I'm worried about turning and digging out the sand there. Try and creep forward just very slowly, as hard to me as you can.
Yeah, I don't like it.
I don't like it. I don't know what to do.
Maybe someone pull him back.
Backwards, you reckon?
Yeah.
You don't reckon it's worth trying to drag the front end through?
What off though? There's not much. I've missed it.
How you feeling, mate? You're not feeling good, are you?
No.
You'll be
I
alright.
should have just went over the bridge. Thanks.
I reckon if he tries to steer the opposite way in reverse, he's gonna dig that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to go over, aren't I?
I was in about that position and I put both lockers in and reversed. But he's only got the one locker, hasn't he? Yeah.
Not steering.
Not steering.
I reckon he'd get over that. I reckon he'll spin. No lockers on the rig.
Yeah, we don't want that happening, do we?
No, if he spins, he'll dig.
Slide.
Why don't we try pull his winch out to that one we've seen in there?
Worst case scenario, if we hook him up and it starts to move, it's got us.
Something that's not in it.
It's not big.
It's not big, but it's still basic that.
It's better than what you got here.
No way. Hang on, hang on, hang on. No.
This is what he's looking at dropping over.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
So it's not a real good option to go over the edge here. There's Melly giving us a wave. And Jason. No one's sort of really giving a shit about poor Jimmy stuck in the car.
See how that goes.
What are you hooking it onto?
Is it? The trunk of it's not bad. Sort of.
Do you think we should get a car behind him to anchor him as well? You reckon? Can I get my iPad out of the car?
Oh, you told me this would be right, you'd be right. What if it's in here of yours? He's going to be down there. Just get me out of here.
We're trying, mate.
Yeah, it's about that. Fucking legs killing and shaking.
You got a good photo?
If this doesn't work, we'll have to try and reach him back.
Yeah.
The only thing is a car, he's got to escape down.
We'll have to use both cars, yeah. Okay, we're winching him off this tree here. Attempting to pull the front end around. Well, that's what we're trying to do, isn't it? Just watch out that rope doesn't snap.
150 said it was okay.
Yeah,
He promised rope was okay. Keep going.
yeah, it's working. Maybe you should drive. Look at this tyre.
So give it a little drive.
Come forward, mate.
And winch. Drive.
Whoa. Look at everyone picking themselves laughing.
Got some firewood.
What's strong?
Jamie's falling over laughing.
push it over the edge then.
I reckon we can get him to drive from there because he's on that tree.
But he's going to come down.
We'll get him down here. What if we put Max tracks from there onto that rock? Will that help?
Might. We can probably try and push that rock out of the way, but it will go. It's going to drive over the top of it.
Yeah, it'd be better if it was out of the way.
I reckon if he comes forward, that passenger wheel is going to go down here.
Yeah. No, it's not a hole. There's a rock there. We're talking about moving. Might take a couple of us.
I'm not going to go. It's a bit dry.
Is there another tree to hook onto?
That one.
That was the thick one of the two.
Just drive forward just a little bit. Yeah. It's going to be on an awful angle too when it gets down there.
Yeah, he will. It's just sliding, isn't it?
We're going to get him backwards then. Alright, let's get him backwards. Still me above him. I can get mine.
Well, I'm going to stop filming until we set up. We're going to try and get him backwards. Okay, so we've got him anchored to 2 cars up there. Wind straight, dampener there, snatch. We're going to try and pull him backwards a little bit. Okay, you ready, Jimmy?
So I chuck it in reverse?
Yeah, might as well, mate.
Wait, do this winch first.
Nah, leave that hooked on. We're not pulling him all the way up.
Yeah, right. I get the tension.
Ready to go. Okay, Jimmy. Can you reverse, Jimmy?
Wait,
Stop. What's up? What's up, Jim? Nah, your front's all right, mate. It's working good, Jamie. The back wheel's getting dragged into that little groove that you wanted. Alright, let's try it again. Jimmy, you got to drive backwards, mate. Let's go. Jimmy, drive backwards. Stop. Okay, it's fucked up. He's way off that groove now.
I'm going over.
No, you're not. No, you're way miles from the edge now. You're going to have to try and drive over that rock, mate. Alright, go, Jamie. Hang on. He stalled it. You ready? Go, winch. Drive, Jim, drive. Stop.
Let it loose a bit.
Okay, let it out. It's going to pull his tyre off. Alright, maybe you can come down and have a look, Jamie.
I was trying to drive, it wasn't going.
No, it's just attached to a broken bush.
His
wheel was going to snap if you got more.
the tyre nearly come off the rim.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, is it pulling him this way
Yeah.
to that?
Yeah.
Just stretch it.
I really should wear some boots, eh?
What are we getting forward again for the max track in here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Must be a workout.
What do you reckon?
How far forward can he go? Nothing right now.
No, he's got a bit. He's got a bit to go forward. Oh yeah,
But if we get a wind, the max track under here,
that'll help him get up the rock.
ramp instead of a minimum of 2 because they'll snap.
Doesn't help.
And a rock underneath them to take
Sandy,
it.
someone that's screaming their head off. Sandy, go around the back where you can't see this.
Do you want to maybe pass?
Alright, we got him out. I forgot to film the actual bit when he got out, but what we did was put some rocks in there and made a bridge with the max tracks. And we winched him and he drove and come out quite easy. So he's not going to do the waterfall now. He's changed his mind and we're going to reverse him back. Right, let's go. And there's Jimmy, all nice and safe and sound again. I bet you his heart is pumping. That's it, folks. Jimmy's jumped out his car and jumped straight on the ground like this. He's loving it. So that there is the waterfall crossing, the famous one where Jimmy nearly died, and he had the option of just crossing over this little bridge here, which he's going to do now. And then you've got this plaque here, which is a memorial plaque of 3 people that have actually died going over the waterfall.
Shows why perhaps the bridge is the best option.
Exactly. Jimmy's a lucky man.